C-shaped sofa tables usually have narrower tops. They are specifically designed for placement directly in front of sofas for serving tea, writing, dining, or other convenient uses. Sometimes they are used behind the sofa to hold lamps or decorative objects. They are simple to move from place to place due to their light weight. Often the frame is extremely stable despite its shape, which makes it look unstable. The C-shaped table design enables you to make full use of space in your home. With this special shape, the table is also a perfect complement to sofas, chairs, and beds. You can also put your potted plants under the side table as a decoration. Commonly, the tabletop of these sofa side tables could be made of well-made density board, which is sturdy and scratch resistant. And the frame of side table could be constructed of heavy-duty steel, which ensures stability and good weight capacity. Most models come with bottom pads, which make the side table more stable when in use, and the pads can prevent scratching of floor if you want to move the table. Besides, the edges of the table are made to be very smooth to prevent injury by cutting your skin. The C-shaped table can be greatly used as an end table, side table, laptop table, snack table, and so on. The top shelf provides convenient space for placing laptops, books, magazines, coffee, foods, a meal, or other items. With an industrial compact design, the table is great for decorating your bedroom, living room, patio, or office, and so on. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of the C-shaped side table design ideas video. It is to be recalled that we have published part 1 of the C-shaped side table design ideas video a few days ago. Due to high interest from our viewers, we have come up with this part 2 video. If you haven't watched that video, the part 1, you can watch it by using the links in the video description or somewhere on the screen. This video contains a collection of newer versions which are not included in the previous one. As usual, you can copy and duplicate these designs at your own workshop by making modifications to meet your needs. If you are committed enough, you can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. So we advise you to watch the video until the end and choose an inspiring design for your next project. Well, as always, for those of you who would rather go buy ready-made C-side tables instead of making one, we will put links you can use to choose and purchase the top-selling C-side tables in the video description. So don't forget to check all of them out after watching the video. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. A table is a furniture with a flat top and one or more legs used as a surface for working at, eating from, or on which to place things. Some common types of tables are the dining room table, which is used for seated persons to eat meals, the coffee table, which is a low table used in living rooms to display items or serve refreshments, and the bedside table, which is used to place an alarm clock and a lamp. There are also a range of specialized types of tables, such as crafting tables used for doing architectural drawings and sewing tables. Tables come in a wide variety of materials, shapes, and heights depending upon their origin, style, intended use, and cost. Many tables are made of wood or wood-based products. Some are made of other materials including metal and glass. Most tables are composed of a flat surface and one or more supports or legs. A table with a single central foot is a pedestal table. Long tables often have extra legs for support. Tabletops can be in virtually any shape, although rectangular, square, round, and oval tops are the most frequent. Others have higher surfaces for personal use, while either standing or sitting on a tall stool. Many tables have tops that can be adjusted to change their height, position, shape, or size, either with foldable, sliding, or extensions parts that can alter the shape of the top. Some tables are entirely foldable for easy transportation. Anyone who has eaten dinner while watching Netflix knows the benefit of a courtside surface to put food on. However, coffee tables are bulky and fold-out snack tables, while functional and space-saving, tend to be less than stylish. The C table solves several courtside lounging issues. It gives you a place to eat or work and an area to store your reading materials. A built-in magazine rack provides a clever storage solution for tiny living rooms with minimal surface space. Most designs have polished neutral finish. They can easily slide right up towards where you're sitting. The surface is large enough to accommodate a laptop or a standard-sized dinner plate. There are models made of acrylic, and there is something about adding a transparent piece of furniture that makes a space look infinitely cooler. Acrylic tables would elevate anybody's first apartment from the hand-me-down look to something sophisticated. The name comes from the unique three-sided shape. It is also called the seaside table. Because it's missing one side, it can hover over the arm of a sofa or a chair, as the base slides beneath the seat, which provided there is some clearance between the chair and the floor. Not all C tables are equally attractive, but they tend to be more stylish than their fold-out counterparts and provide the perfect small space solution for snacking or working in the living room. A C-table is a side table with a clever cantilever top that resembles the letter C. You draw your C-table up to your couch, place your laptop on it, and suddenly you are enjoying both a sofa and a desk. Or you could hold your laptop on your lap and place your food and drink on the C-table. You can also use a C-table as a nightstand that doubles as a desk for reading in bed. After being told of these pieces' incredible versatility, you may be thinking that you would like one. The seaside table is also known by several other names, which include pull-out side table, sofa table, sofa snack table, a rolling C-end table, a slide-under end table, and a snack table for sofa. It's tiny, easy to move, serves a multitude of functions, and can be used in almost any room. There are several design options, material options, and finish options available for the C-shaped side table. Although the common materials are wood and metal, some are made with acrylic or other types of glass material. Acrylic furniture is extremely stylish but also takes up minimal visual space, making it a great solution for small space living. Wooden tables are most commonly constructed using lumber boards. Protection from the wood, such as stain, paint, or wood protectant that repels water, is necessary to protect it from cracking, warping, or rotting due to moisture. The tabletop and bench top boards are attached to the trusses or beams using screws, wood screws, or nails. The legs can be screwed with carrot bolts fastened by nuts and washers or other joinery methods. Marble is also used as tabletop in some cases. These tables are durable but expensive. They are heavy to move from place to place as compared to other designs, which may be a drawback in some contexts and an advantage in others. Plastic tables have grown in popularity because they are lighter, more durable, and less expensive than wooden tables and require less maintenance. A common source for plastic in tables is recycled HDPE, which may be mixed with other materials such as wood flour for improved strength. Metals are becoming more popular because they are heavy and durable and require little maintenance. Thermoplastic coated steel is often used for improved durability in outdoor applications. Some designs come with table on wheels, which makes them easy to glide around the apartment as needed. Some designs have two shelves featuring like a stylish modern bar cart and could be alternatively used as a nightstand. Those with glass top add contemporary style and personality to any space. Other designs have a back pocket that's perfect for storing magazines, notebooks, a TV remote, or even your laptop when it is not in use. Regarding coloring, white color and a streamlined design will blend right in with minimalist spaces. But if you want something more eye-catching, you can use black colors. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting C-shaped side table design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.